Right. Fitting the rear sprocket, I'm going 1 tooth more. So the standard's 36. So I've took it apart, managed to leave the wheel like on there, just wedge it off. That falls out. That's how I believe that goes back in, I'm assuming. I've put it in before, I've found that before, innit? So it snugs in tight there. These bearings in this are always just shit. And that rubber's all deteriorated. Main bearing looks fine. But there's the thing, they're just 14 mils. It's very difficult to get them off and put them back on. I'll probably not put them on tight enough. I'm hoping I can get a normal spanner when I've got it back on somehow. Worst thing, with them coming loose would be devastation, wouldn't it? Be a right fuck up. Anyway, there it is. 37. Test run to follow. Right. See how I can get a microphone into my helmet. Because that'll be the first time I'll be testing out that Tascam audio in the helmet. I'm going to be using it now, I believe. I've got it tucked in my shirt. It says on eBay, does not fit. Obviously you get the dimensions, then it looks like it's going to fit. I think the reason why they do that is they cover the back, basically meaning 37 tooth is not to fit standard stock. But why they can't put that in description saying that it fits a Super Cub, they won't. It's just confusing, it's just annoying. Like, we're going to say, yeah, it fits, but it might not be to spec. You're just saying it does not fit. But look, it's a snug fit, it fits. And it's a tooth extra, so. Does 1 tooth make a difference? I'll find out in a minute. Looks nice and bloody clean though. Right, over and out for now. Don't break, don't snap, don't make me walk it back. That fucking mirror moved again, I super glued that. Fucking dog shit these are. Absolutely fucking dog shit. Oh, it's fucking moving up. Fucking shit they are. I shouldn't have put that on here. It looks nice on here, I think, but I can see me taking that down. It's fucking annoying me. Something's different. Don't feel right. Honestly, it don't feel right. Something wrong. I did not feel faster. Oh. Dog attack Don't like fucking cubs, do they? It's fucking moved though. What I can do, mate, don't I? Right. Pulling power. Is it worth changing? Yeah, do you know what? I think it's done something, you know. I think it's done something like barely noticeable, but yeah, I think I'm going to leave it on. Well, note to shout about. It only cost 17 quid, I think. Fucking hell, seriously. Can't fucking leave note alone, can you? This fucking road was closed overnight. Fucking lane's been closed for fucking weeks. Now it's open to close the other fucking lane on the other side of the road. You come round fucking corner. Oh god. Fucking piss take. Yeah. I go to sleep in my head, I'm thinking, oh, engine's warm. But it's not warm, is it? What's what happens when the engine is warm? It's very minute, but it just feels like been out on it all day. You think, oh yeah, engine's warm. Well, that's the feeling I'm getting. Minute, but it's there, and it's not just like it's in my head, because I physically have just put one more tooth on the back. It's got to do something on it, technically. What's going on? Is that Kia Queer gonna fucking let me go? Oh, it's very jumpy though in first gear. You know, you fucking print it on, it's like yeah, it's jumpy. It's jumpy, it's responsive, but it's nothing. You know, your 0 to 40 is still going to probably be 6 seconds. You're not going to notice the difference on that. Come on, let me stop. Here we go, look, fucking hell, wagons everywhere. Got no fucking power to get out there, have I? Obviously. Just third gear feel different. Sounds higher. Just sound higher. I'll go behind that van. Come on. Can I still hit 60? Because that is my goal. I'd say that's 60 miles an hour. 65. It's hit 65, that's 60. 67. 68, that's normal. I do normally touch 70 down here. Oh, I'm touching it. It's almost 69. If I'm just going to assume I've lost 1 mile. Exhaust gained me 2, or 1.5 should I say, to be specific. Whatever the exhaust has put on, 1 tooth has took it off.